Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2014 Hyundai i10 1.2 in metallic silver finish with a 14-inch of Hyundai alloy wheels. The vehicle is in fantastic condition, all four alloy wheels in good condition, no dents or scratches on the bodywork, and the interior is just fantastic. So this is the size of the boot. It's got split four seats and a parcel shelf. Spare tire comes with it and a pump as well. And the front view of the vehicle has got front fogs and daytime running LED lights as well. It's got contrasting two-tone velour interior in black and blue color with blue stitches on the sides. I really like the interior. On the doors it's got the blue color as well. Rear speakers on the rear doors, child lock on the rear doors, and it's got ISOFIX for child seat preparation. And for your safety it's got front and side airbags. That's the passenger one, driver side, and both sides, driver and passenger on side. I'm just gonna show you that one over there. The legroom is not bad. I just put the seats more to the back. So here we have the electric windows and mirrors. It's got traction control as well. Just have a look. The condition is just bang on. Once we get in, as you can see, it is a 5-speed manual. And it's got multifunction steering wheel. It's got voice commands as well. Also Bluetooth connectivity. AM/FM radio and a MP3 CD player. That's the Bluetooth icon in there. For the media, it's got USB slot and a auxiliary which are in there, and a 12-volt power outlet as well in there, and some storage department. In the middle we have some cup holders, another 12-volt power outlet, and some, I'm gonna call it cup holder or storage. In the glove box we have the user manual. There are cup holders on the passenger and driver side as well on the sides, as you can see. And the blue trims, they are really much in the interior. This was the video walk around of the 2014 Hyundai i10 1.2 engine. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.